Hello everyone. So this is one of the user stories what we are covering in our Pega Mastery program. So consider ours is like banking client. Maybe HSBC is our client. And HSBC has acquired another small bank like ABC. Now client requirement here is whatever the customer data we have in our HSBC bank has to be merged with this data. So ABC Bank also will have certain customer information. So this complete data has to be merged into this table. This is our client requirement. And this is to be executed midnight 12 o'clock with something called job scheduler. So here we have to understand how to work with job scheduler and how to create an activity, how to pull the data from our own table, and how to get our database connected to external database, and how to get access onto that table, and how to pull the data from that table, and how to merge that table info with this table information. So this is what consolidatedly we have to work on. So every one of you, please try to work on this example. This is very, very important task. And for this requirement, we'll make you to analyze completely from zero. So we'll make you understand what is this job scheduler all about and how to create an activity and how to make data pulled out from our table and how to interact with our external database, how to pull back the data from that table, how to merge it, and how to get the data appended into this one. So completely will make you to analyze and will make you to work on your own laptop. Likewise, we are having n number of such tasks what will make you to work in our Pega Mastery program. And if you are having Pega basic knowledge, and if you wanted to get pro in all these scenarios practically, you can straight away get your laptop to our institute and will make you to work on all such scenarios. And we are starting a new such Pega Mastery program batch from April 12th in the next 5 to 10 days. And this is running only on Saturdays. Okay, and this batch is targeted only for Pega working professionals. You might be busy from Monday to Friday, and the remaining days like Saturday, you can come for our program and you can straight away enroll. And this program will be of 3 months.